The opening of the base in Macaé, state of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, is a significant step for the EM&I Group that marks more than a decade of relationship with the country, and now with the establishment of our new base, which will also serve as a focal point for research and development. We want to further boost the development of the Brazilian energy industry through our solutions and new technologies.
Essa base ela tem o objetivo de fazer pesquisa e desenvolvimento nas suas tecnologias, fazer treinamento para a mão de obra local e atender todos os nossos clientes na região, no Brasil e na América do Sul.
We are a Brazilian operation improving the safety and reliability and operational capability.
EM&I has provided asset integrity management services, including specialized inspection and complex repair to the floating oil and gas production sector globally for nearly 40 years, in geographies ranging from the North Sea through North and South America, Africa, and Australasia. Drawing on this experience, we are now expanding our market with specialized engineering, inspection, survey, and maintenance into floating offshore renewable energy production units, particularly floating offshore wind. EM&I has developed and proven the Odin range of diverless underwater services. Inspection methods currently deliver diverse solutions for underwater inspection in lieu of dry docking, shipside isolation valve inspection, repair and replacement, mooring chain inspection, and major underwater steel repairs.
We'll be developing technology here that has several important purposes. First and foremost, it's about safety. The technology that we have reduces the risk of divers, and it reduces the risk of working in confined spaces and at height.
Much of the Odin methodology can be accomplished from inside the hull, reducing the need for any subsea interventions and using specialized integrity class ROVs when the intervention is required.
We had to find alternatives to what the divers had to come in and fix.
In the asset integrity industry, one of the most challenging obstacles that has emerged is the blanking of sea chests for changing of faulty valves. In order to solve this challenge, EM&I developed a system called Limpet, which involves the bespoke design and manufacture of a blanking plate with proprietary intelligent winches that secure the blanking plate onto the sea chest and allow valves or piping to be repaired or replaced without diver intervention. No-Man is a revolutionary new method for remote confined space inspections such as cargo oil and water ballast tanks, pressure vessels, and other critical components.
And all our technologies are looking to eliminate this as much as we possibly can.
The No-Man optical system uses a high-performance video and still camera system with integral multiple-angle lighting systems. This allows No-Man to capture general and close-up visual images in clear detail to meet stringent class requirements. No-Man Plus expands this remote inspection capability using laser scanning for assuring structural integrity and tethered UAVs for visual inspection of shadow areas and steel thickness measurement. Our expert services for the inspection of electrical equipment in hazardous areas is critical to managing safety risk on offshore oil and gas production assets.
He's going to demonstrate to us how we can inspect that under 5 minutes.
Reducing requirement for system isolation and intrusive inspection, we use No-Man cameras for visual inspection, thus avoiding working at height, and pulsed X-ray for close internal inspection of specific items. Our specialized engineering teams can provide a fleet-wide or individual asset service from the establishment of an e-register through to database management and risk-based inspection, assigning a criticality ranking to each component.
We are working on a technique to replace sacrificial anodes without using divers.
EM&I is an industry-leading global organization providing asset integrity management, inspection, and specialized repair and maintenance services to the oil, gas, and renewable energy industries.
Quero deixar aqui nesse momento, simbolicamente, as chaves da cidade para que a EM&I tenha todo sucesso, prospere.
Nosso time lá do Consulado do Rio vem trabalhando e apoiando há pelo menos 10 anos e é muito gratificante ver como o trabalho que a gente fez, de certa forma, colaborou um pouco para todo esse sucesso da EM&I.
We have over 30 years of experience, an impressive safety record, innovative services, and accredited safety and quality systems delivered through a global network of strategically located bases, as now in Brazil.
Although that is our prime focus, we are already working with the renewable industry in Brazil in the same way as we have done in Europe. Thank you.